Okay, so today we're going to learn about the Final 3 card trick, which is found online. If you'd like to learn more about it, just search the Final 3 on YouTube and figure out how it works. But I'm going to explain why it works and why this magic is really rather more of an illusion. So first what I'm going to do is figure out where the 3 cards that the person you're doing the trick to, where they need to be in the deck in order to be selected at the end after the process of eliminating them into face-up and face-down piles. So we're going to go through and eliminate all the odd numbers. Well, you'll find out there'll be all the odd numbers because we go face-up, face-down, face-up, and we eliminate every other card into these face-up piles, which are now no longer left in the selection process of narrowing it down to 3 cards. So I see these diagonals form odd numbers, so I'm going to save myself a bit of work by just crossing them out on this diagonal. Just happens to work out in the way my numbers are arranged. This has nothing to do with the explanation, it's just saving me some time. Okay, so now that we've stacked them on top of each other, the higher numbers are now on top of the deck. So when we work backwards, we have to start at 52 because that's now on top of the deck. So now we do the same process of eliminating every other, and we see that things divisible by 4 are now eliminated, and they happen to form this nice little pattern on the diagonals. Divisible by 4, this is divisible by 4, 32, 8, 36, 12. Okay, so it's almost like an opposite diagonals here, alternating. Okay, so all those numbers are eliminated. So now we go back a third time and eliminate every other, starting with 2, since we're now at the front of the deck again. Cross 10 out, skip 14, cross out 18, skip 22, cross, skip, cross, skip, cross, skip, cross, and now we go back a third time. It's getting a bit repetitive now. Cross, skip, we're now at 46 because we're at the back of the deck again. Skip, cross, skip, cross, skip. Okay, we have 3 cards left. So these places in the deck is where we need to put slyly into the deck. This is the place where we need their cards to be, basically, in the deck. So what this trick does, it slyly creates 4 piles, and they're told to put one of their cards on top of the pile that has 10 cards in it. Then it says, okay, cut this deck anywhere, let's say 14 and 1, and then put, okay, we'll put the 1 on top of this now, because we cut the deck on top of it, and put the next card on top of what's left. So there's 14 here now. 14. Okay, and now it says cut the other 15 pile. So we'll cut it on the opposite proportions just to prove to you that it works with any number, not just 1. And okay, so now we're gonna put 14 is gonna be on top of here, and this is gonna be. This is not gone. It's not gone. This is 1. This is 1. And this is 14. And now it says, okay, now put your third card on top of that. And now put the 9. Cross out this 9. Put the 9 on top of that. Okay, so I'm going to go a little faster because I'm running short on time. Okay, so you can see now we stack these piles right to left on top of each other. You can see this 1 is going to add with the 14, and this 14 is going to add with this 1. It doesn't matter where we cut it because it's going to be 15 apart. Or it's going to be 16 apart rather, there are 15 cards in between it. So, the only problem with this is now we're not going to get the 6. So what this trick does is it takes 4 off of here and puts it on the bottom. So now this becomes the 6th card, we have 15 between it, this becomes the 22nd card, we have 15 cards between it, and this becomes the 38th card. I will see you in the next video.